Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto wallets are alike, but Armory is very different. It's a specialized wallet designed for advanced Bitcoin users who prioritize security above everything else. Today, I'll give you an honest review before you decide to use it. Armory is a desktop wallet that offers full control over your private keys. Unlike mobile wallets, it's not connected to the internet by default, which significantly reduces the risk of hacking. I personally tested Armory for cold storage, and the setup process, while technical, was secure and reliable. One of the standout features is multi-signature support. You can require multiple keys to authorize a transaction, which is perfect for added security or shared accounts. Another feature is paper wallet integration, allowing you to store Bitcoin offline safely. However, Armory is not beginner-friendly. Setting up a wallet requires some technical knowledge, and managing private keys incorrectly can lead to permanent loss of funds. There's no mobile app, so it's not ideal for everyday transactions. In terms of performance, Armory is stable and doesn't have issues with transaction delays. Support is limited, mostly relying on documentation and community forums. So if you run into problems, you may need to troubleshoot on your own. In conclusion, Armory is excellent for serious Bitcoin holders who want advanced security features and full control over their funds. It's not for casual users, but for cold storage and high security setups, it's a solid choice. Subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews and tips to keep your digital assets safe.